Today we will be talking about pre-reducing or canceling. When using this process, you can only use pre-reducing when you see a multiplication sign. If you have a problem that involves addition, subtraction, or division, you cannot pre-reduce or cancel, only when you see a multiplication sign. So now let's discuss the process. In order to pre-reduce, I look for a number in the numerator and a number in the denominator that may have something in common. So, if I look at the 2 and the 8, I see that I can divide them both by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And that means my problem becomes 1 over 9 times 5 over 4. And I repeat that process. Is there a number in the numerator or the top and a number in the denominator or the bottom that have something in common? Well, no, there's nothing left that has anything in common. So I multiply straight across. 1 times 5, 9 times 4. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 times 4 is 36. And my final answer for this problem is 5 over 36. Let's look at a second problem. 12 over 25 times 5 over 18. And let's start that process. Do you have a number in the numerator and a number in the denominator that have something in common? Well, I see the 5 and I see the 25, and I can divide them both by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now my problem becomes 12 over 5 times 1 over 18. And I repeat that process. Is there anything in the numerator or the top and anything in the denominator, the bottom, that have something in common? Well, if I look at the 12 and the 18, I see I can divide both of those by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9. And now my problem becomes 6 over 5 times 1 over 9. And we repeat that process. Is there anything in the top and anything in the bottom that have something in common? Well, the 6 and the 9 can both be divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And my problem becomes 2 over 5 times 1 over 3. And we repeat that process. Is there anything in the top and anything in the bottom that have something in common? Well, no, not anymore. We have finished our process. So 2 times 1 and 5 times 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. And my final answer is 2 over 15.